Hey guys, I'm back with a midweek update video. This is my first time I'm trying to do this midweek thing. As you can see behind me, the wife's car is back in the garage. I'm super excited about that. So now I have some turning distance with my Toro mower and not having to stop it and hunk that massively heavy, beautiful piece of equipment around. I can just drive up on the driveway, make some crazy sounds with that drum rolling over the concrete and get back at it. So what you're going to see here, you saw it in the intro, is my son the other day really became obsessed with the Toro and wanted to take it for a little spin. So I let him take that for a spin. It's got a pretty good reaction all over the interwebs. Everyone loves it with that. So you'll get to see him in action. I want to take a look at a little corner right here in my front yard. It's part of the area where I have a ton of winter kill. And I want to see what exactly is going on. It's starting to die off. I think it's because my front yard faces kind of northeasterly. That's probably a term the Weather Channel is going to pick up for some random snowstorm they're going to name Tim, or actually they're going to name the snowstorm Ted, because everyone hates Ted. And so I want to take a look at this. I want to get a soil temperature. I am not going to use a soil temperature map on the internet. I'm actually going to use a thermometer to get accurate readings for my precise location, not what they are averaged over the course of 100 years via the Farmer's Almanac. So let's go take a look, see what my soil temperature is, and what I think's going on. Okay, we're back here. This is the area I'm kind of concerned about. This little stretch up through here and then back on through here, tremendous winter kill. I plugged it, backfilled all the plugs with sand. It filled in fantastic. Yeah, there's my son running around trying not to get in the video because he's shy with all that, but you'll see, you saw him already. So he's famous now. So I got this little brown patch here in the middle. Feeling the soil, it's pretty cool. Also, my wife has been parking in the driveway since we've been going through a massive declutter, so the garage is kind of taken over as a storage zone instead of a car parking zone. So I got my trusty meat thermometer, because you don't need anything fancy, you just need something somewhat accurate to get a reading. We're going to plop this guy right down here in the middle. Hold on while it dials up AOL. To get that information off the internet from, the Farmer's Almanac. And look at that. 56.4 degrees. That's why the Bermuda's brown right there. It needs at least 65. So you notice the ryegrass, it's doing pretty good, but this area has just had tremendous foot traffic, and I'll show you what happened today with that. So let's take a look at what the mailman did. Okay, so yeah, the mailman, not only, she was nice enough not to cut through this little section, but she did walk through my freaking mulch beds. So I don't know. I may put up some railings. I have no idea. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take some more samples from the front. I'm not concerned to the back because my backyard is considered gates of hell. No shade whatsoever. I can plant Bermuda seed as early as the first week of April and that crap takes off. So we're going to go do some more random samples here real quick and get an idea of what's going on in my front yard. Okay, to give you some perspective, this is where we're at. The Robelini, I'm sorry, Alan, it has to go inside tonight. It may be able to do, tonight, since today is Thursday. But Friday night, it's going to get some pretty chilly. So we got to bring my baby girl inside, keep her alive for the winter. So let's see now. We've had some chance. yeah, it's pretty chilly right in here. That's down pretty deep though. Let's get more in the 2-inch range. And let's reset, and I broke it. Okay, I broke it. So we're not going to deal with that anymore. Looks like I'm going to have to go on the Amazon and try to find me some more of these things. Might as well get a couple apple cores as well, because they're going to be used for soil probes here in the spring. So yeah, my Bermuda's going, yeah, starting to go dormant there, because the soil temperature's cold, not because I scalped it down from an obscenely high 2.5-ish, 2 inches, down to a ridiculously low 1 inch, because yeah, that right there is grown in. It's, I don't know, I mowed it yesterday at 0.75 and it's getting mowed tomorrow at 0.6, and then maybe again on Sunday at 0.5. We'll see how it is, because that's how I do it. It's also getting a shot of ammonium sulfate tomorrow as well in a 13-2-13 blend. I'm sorry it's not 712, but you know, I like a green yard, not a blue yard. So I'm calling it quits for tonight. We'll take a look at the backyard later on this weekend, and you all have a good one.